Backlinks are easier to get now than ever before. AI, so I'm saying artificial intelligence, has democratized getting backlinks. It used to be the big dogs on the block, the big companies with all the budget can get all the awesome backlinks. Not anymore. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. And let's be clear, there's good backlinks and there's bad backlinks and there's everything in between. So that's why a lot of niche bloggers have a problem with acquiring backlinks, because it can be so intimidating, which is why I made this video. Now, before we begin, I have a series going on right now on this YouTube channel. You can check it out. It's how we are creating blog posts to attract backlinks passively. So after this video, make sure to go to part 1 of that and watch all the way through. It's a really, really good series. Now, if I offered you a free backlink to your website right now, would you take it? You probably shouldn't take it right off the bat. You should say, where is it from? What is the DR of that thing? How much traffic does that website get? Is it a spammy website? All these things, right? Backlinks can help, like I said, and they can hurt too. And that leads us to white hat and black hat SEO. Oftentimes backlinks, they get mixed up in this weird conversation about, are you a white hat SEO? Are you a black hat SEO? I'm like, I don't care. I just want my website to rank higher. Now, maybe this is a bad thing to say, but oftentimes I see, even in the YouTube comments, right, people attaching a morality to white hat or black hat SEO. Listen, it's your website. Do what you want with your website, and Google can do whatever it wants with its search engine, right? That's how this game works. There is no morality. Google is just a S&P, what is it? S&P top 10 company. They're a company and they have a guideline. You have a website. You have choices to make. What is your risk tolerance? Do you want to be white hat all the way? Ascribe to Google's guidelines to the T? That's not morality. That's just you following orders from a company, right? So I want to be clear there. Black hat, white hat, whatever hat, it doesn't matter to me. I want my websites to rank higher. So let's quickly go over 5 backlink techniques that we can use with AI in today's world. Number 1 is guest blogging, right? You can identify other websites in your niche that may want to have you on as a writer. I've done this a lot, right? And then you can get a nice backlink in return for giving them a service. You provided good material, you're an expert, you can help them out. And guess what? We have tools like Word Galaxy that can help you create this content in like that, no problem. Number 2 is the broken link building strategy, right? You can use tools like Ahrefs to identify broken links with other websites. And if there's a broken link, an external link, so this big website right here is pointing out to that little website out there, and that's their blog. But guess what? The blog is no longer there. You come in and you say, hey, look, I have a really good blog post you could use as your external link. I noticed your other one is down. That's an easy way to get backlinks. The third way is parasitic SEO. You can identify where your competitors are getting backlinks, right? Not hard to do. In this video right here, right? Like I said, white hat, black hat, no hat, I don't care. But this video may or may not have a list of blogs that you can go and approach them. It may or may not have a list of blogs where you can go up there and say, hey, look, I'm interested in a guest blog or a link insertion. Have you heard of that term, link insertion, where you pay another blog, right? You pay another blog some money. Now, I want to be clear here. We need to pause for a second. When you do all this kind of stuff, right, some of this is against Google's guidelines. We talked about that. Not a morality case, but it's a fact. If Google catches you buying these bad, crappy backlinks from who knows whoever's site, right, you're going to have problems. And an easy way to do it is once you identify the website, right, check out that other video that may or may not have a list of these type of websites, right? Go on to those URLs, go to that website and say to yourself, is this spam? Like, it's not that hard. Just go there and be like, does this look spammy to me? Or does it look like a legitimate website? Is there stuff about crypto and finance and dog food and construction all on one website? If so, we probably have a problem. If it is concise, if it's a nice website, I found a lot of good travel bloggers have guest blog opportunities, right? There's certain niches that do really well with this, but you have to tread carefully. Now, the fourth way to get backlinks is just create awesome content, right? Create the best content that you can. And there's a lot of programs, a lot of SEO and blogging and niche website type of programs that promote this concept. Just create the best type of content and the backlinks will come. But there's a truth to this that it's harder than it seems. And like I said, I'm doing a series on how to attract backlinks right now. Check it out. Link in the description. But nonetheless, it's not as easy as that. Yes, good content ranks, but no, good content does not attract backlinks because you have to get inside of the head of journalists and other bloggers who may want to link to a specific type of content. Now, when you marry both of those ideas, you can write content that ranks and it produces backlinks, then you're doing pretty darn good for yourself. Now, here's a freebie for you, right? Help a reporter out. We've all heard of it, but can you do it successfully? Because it's not as easy as it sounds. It's easy to reply to the emails, right? We have these journalists from huge publications, right? I've gotten an intense amount of valuable backlinks. I'm talking backlinks that if I were to purchase them, cost $2,500, right? For one backlink, and I got it for free off of Haro. But check out this video. I explain how to do it. There's a finesse involved in it. There's so many people blasting these emails with ChatGPT now. You have to know, you have to get inside of the head of the journalists. Now, my favorite way to get backlinks nowadays, number 5, is to provide something for free. And it can't be anything for free. It has to be valuable and free. That's the equation. Provide value, make it free, and then the backlinks will come. You often see this with software, right? Software as a service is when you have to pay for a thing, right? Word Galaxy is now a SaaS program, right? You have to pay to use wordgalaxy.ai, but we released that for free for like 4 months. And we got backlinks for free from high DR websites, right? So if you can figure out the equation, free plus valuable, you're going to get backlinks naturally. And let's circle back with that concept on value, right? Websites are free and you can provide an immense amount of value there, right? That's why people come, and that's why display ads work and all of these things. So you can attract backlinks naturally if you provide an immense amount of helpful content, right? That's what Google wants you to do. They say, quote unquote, helpful content amongst all their other guidelines. But there's a really specific way to attract backlinks. And like I said, I have that cool series going on. Check that one out after this video. I have it right here. Click on it, part 1. But anyways, I appreciate you watching this video. Let me know what you think. I know there's that whole discussion of white hat, black hat, no hat, I don't care hat. And hopefully by now I've earned your YouTube subscription. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1 million subscribers, 2 million subscribers, 5 trillion subscribers by the end of the year. So I appreciate you. I really do. I appreciate you in all seriousness. But anyways, I'll check you on the next video.